Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial of Copy.ai. In today's walkthrough, we're diving deep into the incredible world of Copy.ai. The AI-powered copywriting tool that's changing the game for content creators, marketers, and businesses. From generating compelling headlines, to crafting persuasive sales copy, and even drafting entire blog posts in seconds, Copy.ai does it all. So, let's get started. Click on the first link which is given in the video description. This is an exclusive affiliate link which will provide you with various discounts. It will take you to this page. First things first, let's set up an account on Copy.ai. Here, sign up for an account. You can directly sign up using your Google account or you can use your email. Alright, now click on the Sign Up with Email button. It will take you to this page. On this page, enter your email and then click on the Continue button. Now, you need to enter the verification code that Copy.ai is sent to your email. So let's quickly fill in the code here. And it's done. Now it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to enter your job role. We will select the copywriter option. Then click on Next. Now choose what type of content you want to create using Copy.ai tool and then click on the next option. You can also skip this question by clicking on this button, but we recommend you to answer all these survey questions, as they will help you create more personalized content. Next, it will ask you that whether you want to use Copy.ai alone or with your team. Simply answer these questions and then click on the Next button. Then it will ask you some more questions, regarding whether you have ever used some tools like Copy.ai, or you're just getting started. So, simply answer all these questions and proceed by clicking on the Next button. Lastly, it will ask you what you want to do with Copy.ai. Here, you can choose an AI assistant to create your day-to-day content. Or you can automate content creation and business on a large scale. Choose one of these options and then click on Next. Next, it will take you to the dashboard of Copy.ai. To create a new project, click on the New Project option on the top right. Next, the left panel will show various options like Chat, My Projects, Infobase, Brand Voice, Templates, My Tools, and more. Let's analyze all these features one by one. The chat feature of Copy.ai is designed to facilitate real-time interaction between users and AI models. This feature allows users to input questions, prompts, or requests directly through a chat interface and receive AI-generated responses in a conversational format. Users can chat with the AI to generate content, such as blog post ideas, marketing slogans, or product descriptions. The My Project option allows users to organize their work or copywriting tasks within the Copy.ai. Users could create separate projects for different copywriting tasks for clients, helping them keep their work organized. Now let's move forward in the video. So, click on the Templates option. Here, you can choose from various templates. Templates in Copy.ai serve as pre-designed structures or outlines for various types of content and copywriting needs. These templates are designed to help users generate specific types of content quickly and effectively. Copy.ai offers templates for a wide range of content types, including blog post introductions, social media posts, Google Ads, product descriptions, and more. This versatility makes it suitable for diverse copywriting needs. While templates provide a starting point, users can customize the generated content to make it unique and tailored to their specific requirements. This allows for flexibility in adapting content to different contexts. So, let's select the blogs. Now we'll see various options, so simply select one of these and then click on the Start New Project button. Alright, now you have to give a title to your blog and then fill in the keywords. Now, simply select the tone. By clicking on this option, you can choose from a number of tones, whether it's professional or friendly. Now, simply fill in the title. And next is the keywords. And then, click on the Generate Outline option. Within seconds, it will generate an outline of your content. The introduction has been generated. As you scroll down, you will see some options to edit or adjust paragraphs as per your liking. You can also generate talking points by clicking on this option. So simply click on this button. And now you will see that Copy.ai has generated talking points for your blog. After every section, you will get 3 options. You can add more talking points, generate more content, and regenerate talking points as well. You can customize everything according to your preferences. Alright, now click on the Generate Content button. Here, you can view your content. You can also rearrange these sections by dragging and dropping the content. You can also add more sections by clicking on this button. Now, let's proceed. Click on the Create Blog Post button. This is the final outcome. From here, you can customize the content, make them bold, italic, and change the fonts as well. You can also embed links and images in the content piece. Simply play around with these settings and create a blog as attractive as you can. Let's add an image. So click on this button. Now browse and upload the image. And you are done. To save this, simply click on Export button on top right. And then choose Microsoft Word. And the blog will be downloaded in the document format. Now, let's come back to our dashboard. Now, click on the My Projects option on the left panel. Here, you can keep a track of all the projects that you've created in Copy.ai. This is the project that we've created. By clicking on the three dots, you can share this project to your workspace, rename it, and delete the project as well. Alright, now let's set up an infobase. So click on the infobase option. On this page, click on the Add Info option. Now simply fill in the name and upload the documents. Then hit Save. Next is the brand voice. The brand voice refers to the unique and consistent style, tone, and personality that a brand conveys through its written content. It's the distinctive way in which a brand communicates with its audience, whether that audience is customers, clients, or users. A unique brand voice sets your brand apart from competitors. It helps you stand out in a crowded market and be memorable to your audience. So, click on the brand voice option. Then, click on the New Brand Voice button. Here, write or paste the content that reflects the brand voice. And then hit the Analyze Brand Voice option. Within seconds, the generated content is presented to you for review. While it's designed to align with your brand voice, you have the flexibility to review, edit, and fine-tune the content as needed to make it a perfect fit for your brand. Now, you can save this brand voice as default for your workspace, or just save it. It's that simple. Lastly, let's try out the Tools option. So, click on the Tools button. And here, choose one of the tools. We will select the Blog Ideas. So click on the Blog Ideas button. Then this page will be open. Here, simply fill in the name of your brand. And then describe it. Now we will choose a tone for the content that will be generated. And then hit the Create Content button. As you scroll down, it will display various blog ideas that has been generated. You can choose among various blog ideas. You can copy and save them as well. Now, we have to set up a workflow. A workflow typically refers to a set of steps or processes that help users manage and streamline tasks or projects. Copy.ai's workflow offer functionality related to the organization and management of your copywriting projects. So click on the Workflow button. Now, click on the Add Workflow option. Simply add info name here, and then upload the documents here. That's it. Now you are done. That wraps up our comprehensive tutorial on Copy.ai. We've explored its incredible AI-powered copywriting capabilities, customized brand voice, and so much more. Remember, Copy.ai is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to harness its potential. Don't be afraid to experiment, iterate, and fine-tune your copy to perfection. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're as excited as I am about the potential of Copy.ai to supercharge your copywriting game. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive in and start creating amazing content with this fantastic tool. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future tutorials, tips, and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Copy.ai, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching this video.